Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video on my Hilltop Packs Bear Bag, food bag kit. I did an opening of this a while back. I've used it now 3 or 4 times and it's great. This is my first experience with Dyneema and I love it. Love the fabric. It's real strong and light, and I've kept all my food in there for 2 days, and that's what it looks like. It also has my cook set in there as well. The bag, there it is. I mean, it is a nice big bag. I got the one with the flat bottom, which is great, having the flat bottom, because it just sits up for me. I don't have to mess with it. And then it also comes with this Dyneema line, and it's orange, so it's easy to see at night. And then here is the rucksack. I found this little rock, just the perfect size. So I'm gonna put it in there, cinch it up. It comes with these 4 little carabiners that I've used for different things. So right now I just have them attached there. I'm gonna take it and attach my rucksack to it, and oh, I've already got it attached, my bad. So I've got it attached. I'm gonna put my food bag down, and we're gonna see if it'll work. We'll try that tree right over there. Alright, that's it. The Hilltop Packs food bag worked like a charm. I think I want to have it for a long time.